In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and enhance your Shopify store using themes. This guide will walk you through the steps to access and import themes correctly, which can significantly improve the user experience and visual appeal of your online store. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, look for the option that says My Store located in the menu. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu where you should then select Themes. This is your starting point for customizing the aesthetic of your online store. Understanding this section is crucial as themes allow you to define the overall look and feel of your site, contributing to a cohesive brand identity. Next, you'll want to locate and click on Online Store. This should lead you to a page where you have various options related to storefront customization. Now, it's time to click on Themes. This is typically located under the Online Store section and provides a list of themes available to you, both present and past. If you already have a theme in mind or you're looking for something fresh, this section is where you can start testing new appearances for your store. Once you're in the Themes section, look for the Import Theme button. Clicking this will allow you to import a theme that you may have downloaded from an external source or purchased separately. It's a handy feature for those who have specific themes in mind that aren't directly available in the Shopify theme store. Just be cautious about where you get your themes from. Ensure the source is reliable to avoid any security issues. After you're done with imports, go ahead and click on Visit Theme Store. Doing so will direct you to Shopify's comprehensive theme marketplace. The theme store is a great place for exploring a wide variety of themes, both free and paid. It's smart to consider the needs of your business and choose a theme that not only fits your style, but also offers the functionality necessary to enhance your customer's experience. Within the theme store, look around for a theme that catches your eye. When you see something you like, you'll see an option to click on Theme. Selecting a theme will provide more details, including previews and a breakdown of its features, helping you decide if it matches your store's vision. Finally, once you've settled on a theme you'd like to try, simply click on Try Theme. This option allows you to see how the theme looks and interacts with your content before fully committing to it. It's a fantastic way to test the water without making permanent changes to your store's appearance. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively navigate Shopify's theme options and make informed decisions about which styles work best for your online presence. Thanks for tuning in.